Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 3rd Subject English.
Good morning students, welcome to 3rd standard English class. Now we are going to see grammar, page number 80. Revision time, units 9 to 12. Okay students, rewrite each sentence changing V1 into V2. Okay, first one, he helped his classmate. He helped his classmate. Okay students, second one, children play in the park. Answer, children played in the park. Children played in the park. Third one, the girls waste the time. The girl wasted the time. Misa draw lovely pictures. Misa drew lovely pictures. Fifth one, they go home in the evening. They went home in the evening. Okay. Okay students, second Roman letter. Now rewrite each of the V2 sentence as question, negative, negative question. Okay, first one, did he help his classmate? Okay, he did not help his classmate. Negative sentence. Didn't he help his classmate? Negative questions. Okay, he did not help his classmate. Negative. Didn't he help his classmate? Negative question. Second one, did children play in the park? Question. Children did not play in the park. Negative sentence. Didn't children play in the park? Negative questions. Children did not play in the park. Negative sentence. Didn't children play in the park? Negative question. Okay, third one. Did the girls waste the time? The girls did not waste the time. Negative sentence. Didn't the girls waste the time? Negative question. The girls did not waste the time. Negative sentence. Didn't the girls waste the time? Negative questions. Okay, see the next page. Students, third matter, write sentence to tell what you will do or not do tomorrow. Okay students, first one, I will get up early. I will get up early. I won't be late for school. I will respect my teachers. I won't eat in the class. I will help my schoolmate. I won't fight with anybody. I will finish my homework. Okay students. Okay students, take your English book, Unit 5, C. Deforestation. What's the meaning of deforestation? Okay students, deforestation refers to the decrease in forest area across the world that lost for other uses such as agriculture, cropland, nation or mining activities, greatly accelerated by human activities since 1960. Deforestation has been affecting natural ecosystems, biodiversity and the climate. Okay students, first I read the paragraph. Listen carefully. Forests cover 31% of the land area in our planet. They produce oxygen and provide homes for people and wildlife. Many of the world's most and animals live in forests, and 1.6 million people live on the benefits forests offer, including food, fresh water, clothing, traditional medicine and shelter. Okay students, cover of the forest area in 31%. Okay students, to provide in oxygen. Okay students, 1.6 million people in the benefit forest. Okay students, I read the second paragraph. Listen carefully. But forests around the world are under the threat and under from deforestation. Having these benefits, deforestation comes in many forms, including fires, clear cutting for agriculture, energy and development, and sustainable logging for timber and degradation due to climate change. This affects people's livelihoods and threatens a wide range of plant and animal pieces. Some 46,58,000 square miles of forest are lost each year, and the 236 football fields every minute. Okay, students, but forests around the world are under the threat from deforestation. Okay, students, 46,58,000 square miles in forest equal to 36 football fields every minute. Okay, students, third paragraph. I read the third paragraph. Listen carefully. Forests play an important role in making climate changes less intense because they act as a carbon sink, soaking up carbon dioxide that would otherwise be free in the atmosphere and contribute to ongoing changes in climate patterns. Carbon sink and soaking carbon dioxide change the climatic patterns. Okay, students, see the next page. Okay, students, deforestation is a worry in tropical rainforest because the forests are home to much of the world biodiversity. Okay, students, WW has been working to protect forest for more than 50 years. Okay, students, with a focus on product area management and sustainable forestry, WW works with government, companies, and communities to promote responsibility in forest management, practice fight illegal reform, trade policies, and protect forest area. Okay, students, WWF has been the working to protect forest more than 50 years. Okay, the focus product areas in WW works with government, companies, and communities to promote responsibility in forest management. Okay, students, thank you.